when everyone else beats you to pinching and punching on the first day of the month. Pinch, punch. Sorry, dude.
Cats, the real aliens on Earth. Think we own them? They own us.
Hey, you haven't paid your rent?
Oh, hello?
I have a banana, whoa, whoa, banana.
What are you doing on my pillow? That's my pillow. Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
When I wake up, I like to shower, but I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon.
Hey look, it works on kids too.
Ma, 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 ma,
So I'm in the kitchen trying to get lunch ready, and I have this small fur rug right in the middle of the floor.
Típico que no puedes levantarte porque tu gato se está bañando.
Look at this kitten cuddle puddle. Yoda, Curiosity Jones, Sergeant Pepper, Luchadora.
Psst! If you treat people like shit, that's what you're gonna get back. Who fucking owl's it biting me?
Ziva, try not to squeak. And you fail.
Bitches looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this motherfucker just to swing in my hair. Bitch, quit talking.
My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack. Ooh. my precious.
Attaboy kisses.
Is it in yet? I can't find the hole. Let's stick it in. Wait,
Yo, I accidentally kicked him in the face and he's just like... I think he fell asleep. Just my fucking luck.
kitty.
So me and Casey are playing Left 4 Dead 2, and guess who decides to freaking lock the screen? How dare you?
I'm gonna beat that ass for not doing the dishes yet.
No, not like this. And he is bowling. Yeah, bowling. Woo woo.
Silly kitty.
Damn.
Oh, nah.
Oh shit, that's my movie like.
Good Samaritans jumped into action when they saw a car crash in the South Loop. So they pulled a...
Hi, Mimi. Oh, you so sweet, my old kitty.
You're in my chair. Hey.
Dang!
Hashtag selfie for me because I really like this camera. So, hello guys, I'm a cat.
Is that so?
If it weren't for you, his stupid phase would have lasted much, much longer.
I don't know, I might have to agree.
Can pet here? No, here. What about here? No, here.
It was at this moment Miss Jade was waiting for the faucet to turn on so she could get a drink.
I gotta go, cause I'm trying to hush.
No, it's fine.
Quem? Quem está fazendo o quê?
What are you doing, Cat? Oh, no, don't run!
It's hard to believe that the situation has reached the point where killing is the best way to conserve.
This big. Those things are too sweet for me. Hi, my name's Steve.
Sizi test etmeye geldim.
Doydun mu anacığım? Bu bitecek. Kızım seni burada istemiyoruz. Kalk git ya. Git. Tamam hadi gel Barış.
Who's my pretty boy? My handsome man.
Kız. Şşt. Şşt. Bak bir kız. Şşt.
Isn't she so sweet?
Retarded as a whole.
Hey kid, you want some fries?
Don't worry.